Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess, and welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am doing a first impressions and demo on a new to me brand and possibly a new to you brand. It's an Australian indie brand and they are called Cuelbra. This is their Summer Solstice palette and it looks absolutely beautiful. I also have from their latest collection and beautiful new Rosie Blush Palette from the Garden collection. Beautiful packaging. I want to do a demo, maybe some swatches, and I'll give you my first impressions at the end of this video. So that's what the sleeve looks like. The inside of the packaging is that, and you do only get the ingredients on the outside of the packaging, but that's fine. They are an Australian cruelty-free brand and this is their Summer Solstice palette. This is what she looks like, and I've only swatched her, haven't actually played with her. But look at it, so beautiful. This palette is $40. It's a 15 pan palette and we're gonna see if it's any good. Let's do this, shall we? It does have a mirror, which is great. They're not named, the shades, which is fine. I'm gonna take that shade right there. Looks like a good starter offer color. And you won't see much of this shade because it's obviously a skin tone color, but I do like doing this as my prepping base. You can see it slightly compared to my other eye. I love the tone. It's a very warm tone, almost corally, but I love also the bit of plum and the neutrals as well. Really pretty palette. Keep looking at this mustard shade. I'm gonna pack that on my lid. A little bit powdery, but yeah. That is a beautiful mustard. I'm just pressing in. A really pretty mustard, and that's a really pretty mustard. I'm just going to take that shade to blend around the edges of the mustardy shade. Just to diffuse the outer edges. That's blending quite well. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the mustard. Not too shabby. Going back in with the orangey colour. Not too bad. They're not hugely pigmented because I did have to go back in with the mustard to make it a bit more vibrant, but they're going on well, they're blending well, not patchy at all. Okay, so I've blended it out, I think, fairly well, and I did have to go in a little, like a few times with the mustardy shade, just to, I still don't think it's coming up as mustard on my lids. It blends away a little bit, but these shadows feel very soft. It's a pretty color though. I'm gonna try a different matte, that chocolatey brown. They're a little bit kick-uppy, but nothing too drastic. Just on the outer V area. It's actually a really nice brown. The mattes are very soft. Yeah, quite like that. They do blend out quite well. I just have to pack on the color a little bit. They're not patchy. I'm getting a little bit of mess under here, but I will clean it up. Lower lash line time. I might use this. It's a really pretty corally color. Alright, that's really pretty. Alright, I really like that shade a lot. I'm not going to add like a whole lot because I don't want to look like I've got pink eye, but it's actually a really pretty color. I think to tone down the coralliness a little bit, I might just take a smidge of, I think this is such a unique color to put in with this type of palette. that little plum shade there. Just on the outer bit. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. And I will obviously clean that up. The mattes do really blend out quite well. Once you work out that they're a softer matte, they're not as hard pressed into the pan. Now for shimmer, that pretty gold on the lid. My finger. Alright, the shimmers are really nice. Very pretty. Yeah, I like the shimmers a lot. For the inner corner, I'm going to take this really pretty champagne, or rose gold actually, shimmer. Actually no, I lie. So I wanted to use that really pretty duochrome. It's not going to pick up on camera, but it's like, yeah, there we are. That's so pretty. Oh, that is pretty. I really like that. So I really like to do my inner corner bit like quite far down because I think it just kind of adds something because I've got small eyes. I don't know, I just like it. That's really pretty. See how it shifts? Don't need much. I might need to blend that one out a little bit. That's a poppin' brow bone colour. So I've just finished the eye look and did my lashes or mascara and whacked on a bit of lippy. New Rosie Cheeks Blush Palette, and this is what she looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty is that? So pretty. Love it. I might try that side. Right, there's a little bit of colour there. Oh no, there is. It's there. I'm just swirling it in. And that's pretty. Actually, I might try both. Try both. Okay, that one's a little bit more pigmented than the other side. I feel like I like this one actually. Okay. Yeah, pretty. I like that. They're shimmery, so you can also use it as a highlighter topper. But super pretty. And that quite well too. Do some swatches, and I'll give you my first impressions of this makeup. I'm just gonna do some back of my hand swatches because you guys know that I'm not really great at live swatching. Oh, that's so pretty. That was that first one there, and I'm just gonna do a couple of random shades. That was that one. Oh, that one's pretty. And what was that one? That was of that shade there. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Summer Solstice palette is the original first palette. I'm going to actually try and pick up the latest palette, which is the Garden palette from the Garden collection. That looks really pretty as well. This is $40. I believe it is $25. Cuelbra, I think it is from memory. Cuelbra is an Australian owned company and they are vegan and cruelty free. Really gorgeous products. And I think they turned out really well. Overall, I think the eyeshadow palette, it blends well. It's a lot softer than what I'm used to. I'm used to more hard pressed pans, but it's a really pretty palette and I'm going to be playing around with it more because I really do like that it's not just a typical peachy palette, but it's actually quite different. I love the packaging. My first impressions and my little demo on Cuelbra. I really like how these performed. I think they're good value. The blush palette is really pretty. It's a nice weighty packaging. Like it feels nice. This one's quite a bit lighter, but it still at the same time doesn't feel cheap. Really pretty, very sleek, and very cute colours I think as well. And I do like the fact that you get shimmers, a good mix of mattes, and the duo cream as well. I think makes it a bit more special. As always, thank you so much to Cuelbra for sending me these products. My opinions are all my own, so please never think that just because I get sent them that it, you know, makes my opinion always positive, because it's not always the case. But yeah, I really enjoyed these, and I'm going to be checking out more from this brand as well. They do skincare as well. And thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to pick them up at all. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to a small YouTuber, as it will give you good karma. It is free and it really does help me out as well. And I'll see you guys soon in another video.